Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer crypto to a wallet from a Revolut account. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is just simply open your Revolut crypto exchange. Like in this video I will be taking the example of Binance, but the process is going to be exactly same. What you have to do is open your crypto exchange. Then all you have to do is just simply go to your dashboard, which you'll find in your application or the extension if you're using an extension. Then over there, what you will find is assets. Go inside that assets, and under overview you will find all the crypto that you have. Now what you have to do is you have to click on the withdraw option that you will find at the very top of the crypto, or just simply on the top of the dashboard. Just simply click on that option. Then the first section that you will have is coin. So choose the type of coin that you want to send. For example, Ethereum. Choose that. Then over here you have to enter the address of your wallet in which you want to transfer the crypto into. Now to get the wallet, what you have to do is just simply open the wallet. So for this video I will be using Phantom Wallet, as you can see right over here. Now to get the wallet address in Phantom Wallet, just simply hover over the account section right over here, and you should find the wallet address for Ethereum. So copy it right over here. Once you've copied that, just simply paste it right over here. And then just simply choose the proper network, which is going to be this one for Ethereum. And then all you have to do is just simply enter the amount that you want to transfer right over here, and make sure to choose the proper type of wallet. Like for example, if your funds are in the spot wallet, choose spot wallet. And if it is in funding wallet, choose funding wallet. And then just simply click on the withdraw option and make sure to choose the proper and correct network, because if you choose a wrong network, you will lose your crypto forever. Now, once you will click on the withdraw option right over here, you should see that your crypto has been transferred right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.